Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about points of trisection of a line segment. Okay, already we studied about the midpoint. Okay, midpoint is nothing but it is a bisection. Midpoint means what? If you draw a line, for example, if you draw a line, okay, this is point A. If this is B, means if you want to find the point midpoint M, okay, so that means this midpoint it will be divide the line into two equal parts, okay, that is called midpoint. This is the another name is another name is midpoint. Its another name is bisection point, okay, wow. So midpoint or bisection point, okay. So now we are going to study about the trisection. Trisection means it is divided into three equal parts. Okay, what tri means three. Okay, so appa the or line three equal parts ah pirichudhu appadina adu enna solluvom trisection nu sollalam. Okay, so how to find the trisection means if you are taking these 2 points, A point is x1 y1. Okay, if the point A point is x1 comma y1 and B point is x2 comma y2. Okay, just you can take it like this. Okay, suppose if you want to divide the trisection means three equal parts. That means this is A, this is B. Okay, three equal parts பிரிக்கணும் அப்படினா for example இங்க எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஓகேவா, this is P and this is Q. Okay, so A point is x1 comma y1 and B point is x2 comma y2. Okay, so if you want to find the point of P and Q, so these two points are dividing the line AB into three equal parts. Okay va, three parts ah pirichidapna adha eppadi find out pannalam அப்படிங்கறத பார்க்கலாம். So the formula is P as the point P of x comma y is equal to x2 plus 2x1 by 3. In midpoint we are using in the denominator 2, here 3, because here we can divide it into three equal parts. Okay, then the y point is y2 plus 2y1 divided by 3. Okay, then another point q of x comma y, this q of x comma y is equal to, the 2 will be comes front. Okay, that is 2x1, sorry 2x2 plus x1 by 3, then 2y2 plus y1 by 3. Okay, this is the formula. If you are applying the points of A is called ax1 comma y1 and B is the x2 comma y2. If you are applying these points in P of x comma y and Q of x comma y, means you will get the trisection points. Okay, then section formula. Next one, section formula. Section formula is used for if your line it's divided into some different ratio. இப்போ வந்து நம்ம ஈக்குவல்ஸா சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, ஸோ 3 equal parts 2 equal parts அது மாதிரி இல்லாம வேற ரேஷியோல பிரிச்சிருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அதை நம்ம எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு தான் இந்த செக்ஷன் ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேவா, ஸோ இஃப் யுவர் லைன் டிவைடட் இன்டு m:n ரேஷியோ, ஓகேவா, m:n ratio means the section formula is mx2, the ratio is m:n. Okay, the ratio is equal to m:n. Therefore the section formula is mx2 Suction formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, then comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay va? So இதான் ரேஷியோல நம்ம இப்ப கொடுத்திருக்க ரேஷியோ for example 2:3 அப்படினாங்கன்னா you can take m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Then you can apply the values in the given formula. Okay, then you will get the point. Okay, then we will move to exercise. Okay, that exercise 5.4 first question. Okay, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points a 4, minus 3 and b 9, 7 in the ratio m 3:2. Okay va? Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining the points a 4, minus 3. Okay, exercise 5.4 question number 1. Okay, the a value is 4, minus 3 and b point is 9, 7. B point is 9, 7. Then the ratio is 3:2. Therefore, m is to n. Okay, m is to n is equal to 3:2. So you can take m value is 3 and the n value is 2. Okay, so now we are going to find the points. Okay, so first you can draw a line. This is the point A and this is the point B. Okay, so A point is 4, minus 3 and B point is 9, 7. Okay, then the ratio is m is to n, so you can take it 3:2. Okay, this point we are going to find. Okay, so P point is we are going to find. So listen, so you can take it, this is x1, y1. A point is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2 and m is to n is 3:2. Okay, so now we are going to apply the suction formula. Okay, so what we have to write? A line solution, a line divides internally because the point inside the line. Okay, inside the line between the points A and B. Okay, internally in the ratio m is to n. Okay, internally in the ratio m is to n. So the point is what? You are going to write the formula. Okay, the point P is equal to, what is the formula, suction formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and another point my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, this is the formula. Now we are going to apply x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay, so what is that? 4, minus 3 is the x1, y1. Okay, so what is our m? M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. So first you can write the values. What is that? M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to 9. Then y1 is equal to minus 3 and y2 is equal to 7. Okay, then you can apply the values. What is that? P is equal to mx2. mx2 means 3 into x2 value is 9. 3 into 9 you will get 27. Okay, 3 into 9 plus n into x1. N is equal to 2. x1 is equal to 4. Okay, 4 divided by m plus n. M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. So 3 plus 2. Then next comma m y2. M is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 7. Then plus n is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to minus 3. Okay, divided by m plus n. So 3 plus 2. Okay. So what do you get? 3 into 9, 27. 2 plus 4, 2 into 4, 8. Okay, divided by 5. Then next one, 3 sevens are 21. Then 2 threes are 6. So minus 6 divided by 5. Okay. That is equal to 27 plus 8, 35. 35 divided by 5, comma 21 minus 6, you will get 15. 15 by 5. If you get cancel, you will get 3. Here you will get 7. Okay. Therefore, the point is 7, 3. Okay. Therefore, the point P of x, y is equal to 7, 3. Okay. This is your answer. Then next problem, in what ratio does the point 2 minus p of 2 minus 5 divide the line segment joining a of minus 3 5? The second sum, a point is a of minus 3 5 and b is 4 minus 9. Okay, in the previous problem the ratio is given and the two end points a and b given. From that we are finding the p of xy values. Okay, but here p value is given. Okay, here p value is given. See this, listen. This is the line. Okay, this is a. Okay, then this is b. We don't know the ratio. Okay, the a point is minus 3 5 and b point is 4 minus 9. Okay, then p point also is given, that is p point is 2 minus 5. Okay, that p point is 2 minus 5. Now we are going to find m value and n value. Okay, what ratio we don't know, that only we are going to find. Okay, m is to n we are going to find. Okay, so a line, this point also inside. Okay, inside means internally. Okay, if the point lies on outside of the line means, for example, இப்போ ஏக்கும் பிக்கும் வெளியில பிங்கிற பாயிண்ட் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நம்ம எக்ஸ்டர்னலின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்போ வந்து செக்ஷன் ஃபார்முலால பிளஸ் இருக்க இடத்துல மைனஸ்னு வரும். ஓகேவா, தட் இஸ் mx2 minus nx1 வரும். ஓகேவா, நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல யூஸ் பண்ண போறதில்ல, ஜஸ்ட் யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஓகே, a line divides internally. A line divides internally in the ratio m is to n. Okay, internally in the ratio m is to n. So what is the point? The point P is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, ny2, sorry, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so now we are going to find the m and n values. Okay, just you can apply. Here m and n we don't know, so first p of x y, p of x y is 2 minus 5. Okay, 2 minus 5, that is equal to m we don't know, so you can take it as m, no problem. Then x1 y1, this is our x1 y1 and this is our x2 y2 okay va. So இப்போ x1 y1 values நம்ம எழுதிக்கலாம். x1 ங்கிறது -3, x1 y1 ங்கிறது a point, x2 y2 ங்கிறது b ஓட point. Okay, so we can take it mx2, x2 is 4, x2 4, then plus n x1 is equal to -3 divided by m plus n, then m y2 is -9, so -9 plus n y1 n y1 is 5, okay, divided by m plus n. Okay, therefore 2 comma -5 is equal to 4 into m, 4m minus 3n divided by m plus n, then minus 9m plus 5n divided by m plus n. Okay, now we are going to compare the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinates. That means here 4m minus 3n by m plus n is equal to 2. Okay, then another point, minus 9m plus 5n by m plus n is equal to minus 5. Okay, so what we want to do? Take cross multiplication. 4m minus 3n is equal to 2 into m plus n. Here you can put compulsory bracket. Okay, then only you can multiply the m and n with 2. Okay, otherwise you can multiply the 2 only with m. இந்த இடத்துல 2 bracket கண்டிப்பா போடுங்க, இல்லனா நீங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, 2 m க்கு மட்டும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு n விட்டுருவீங்க. சோ அங்க ஆன்சர் மாறிடும். ஓகே, so 4m minus 3n is equal to 2m plus 2n. Okay, then you can separate m and n. Okay, so 4m plus 2m, it becomes left hand side, it becomes negative. Okay, then plus 2n plus 3n. Okay, therefore what do you get here? 4m minus 2m, you will get 2m, here 5n. Okay, we need 5m is to n. Okay, that is m, this n comes left hand side, means it becomes division. Okay, because it is in multiplication, so 5, this 2 comes this side, so 5 by 2. Okay, therefore m by n means we can write as m is to n, that is equal to 5 is to 2. Okay, then next side also we can find it, that also the same way. What we have to do? Minus 9m plus 5n is equal to minus 5 into m plus n. Okay, then you can multiply it. Minus 9m plus 5n is equal to minus 5m minus 5n. Okay, then separate m and n. Minus 9m plus 5m is equal to minus 5n, then this 5n also it becomes minus 5n. Okay, so what do you get? Minus 9 plus 5, so you will get minus 4m. Okay, this is equal to minus 10n. Then we need m is to n. Okay, so what do you have to do? M divided by n is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 4. Minus minus cancel, then here 2 times, here 5 times. So what do you get? M by n is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore m is to n is equal to 5 is to 2. Okay, ரெண்டுமே போட்டு பார்த்துக்கங்க, ஏன்னா ஏதாவது ஒரு இடத்துல மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணா கூட அடுத்ததுல நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஆன்சர்ஸை செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதனால ஒரு இதை மட்டும் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு விட்டுறாதீங்க, ரெண்டு சைடுமே செக் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, therefore the ratio is 5 is to 2. Okay, that's all. Then Question number 3. The question is, find the coordinates of a point P on the line segment joining A 1, 2 and B 6, 7 in such a way that AP is equal to 2 by 5 AB. Okay. So what is given? The line is given. Okay. The point A is 1, 2. Okay. Then B point is 6, 7. Then one more is the point P. Okay. The point P is point is not given. That only you are going to find. But the ratio is given. That is 2 by 5. Okay. What is given? AP is equal to 2 by 5 AB. Okay. So from this we are going to find the P value. Okay. So the point is A. Let the point A is 1, 2 and B is 6, 7. This you can take it as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay. Then one more condition is given. What is that? AP is equal to 2 by 5 AB. Okay, that means you can take it AP divided by AB is equal to 2 by 5. That means AP part is 2 and the total AB part is 5. That means this, what is that? AB. If you want to find the PB means, see, listen, AP plus PB is equal to 5. That is AB. Okay. Therefore, AP is equal to 2 and AB is equal to 5. Okay. So it can be written as AB is equal to 5 means it can be written as AP plus PB is equal to 5. So we need PB. So PB is nothing but 5 minus AP. Okay. So AP oda value நமக்கு தெரியும், that is 2. So 5 minus 2. Therefore PB is equal to 3. ஏற்கனவே இந்த வார்த்தை நம்ம ஒரு சமல ஏற்கனவே போட்டுருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இப்போ என்ன சொல்லிடலாம்? இந்த ஏபிங்கிறது 2 பார்ட் ஆகும், இந்த பிபிங்கிறது 3 பார்ட்ஸ் ஆகும் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ therefore now we are going to find the point P, that is ratio 2:3. Okay, so what you have to do? A line divides internally. A line divides internally in the ratio m is to n, that is equal to, here what is m? M is to n is equal to, here 2:3. Okay, so therefore the point P is x comma y. P of x comma y is nothing but mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so now you can apply. What is that? M is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3 and x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 6, then y1 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to 7. Okay, so you can apply P P of x comma y is equal to, what is mx2? M is equal to 2. mx2, 2 into 6 plus nx1. N is equal to 3. So 3 into 1 divided by m plus n. 2 plus 3. Then my2. M is equal to 2. Y2 is equal to 7 plus ny1. N is equal to 3. 3 into 2. Okay. Divided by 2 plus 3. So what do you get? 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 3 by 5, comma 2 into 7, 14 plus 6 divided by 5. So what do you get? 12 plus 3, 15. 15 by 5. Then 20 by 5. So if you get cancel, you will get 3. Here you will get 4. Okay. Therefore, P of x comma y is equal to 3 comma 4. Okay. This is your answer. Then next problem. Fourth problem. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A of minus 5 comma 6 and B of 4 comma minus 3. Okay. So trisection means 3 equal parts. Already I told you. Okay. So you can draw a line first. That is, this is A. Okay. Then this is B. Then P. Then Q. Okay. So these are the trisection points. Okay. So now we are going to find the values. Here A point is minus 5 comma 6. So you can take it as x1, y1. Then B point is 4 comma minus 3. You can take it as x2 comma y2. So we know that the trisection formula. Okay. What is that? The formula is P of x comma y is equal to x2 plus 2y1, x2 plus 2x1 divided by 3 and y2 plus 2y1 by 3. Okay. Then another point, q of x comma y is equal to x1 plus 2x2 by 3. Then y1, q of x comma y is equal to 2x2 plus x1 by 3 comma 2y2 plus y1 by 3. Okay, so we know that the trisection points. Okay, let P and Q be the point of trisection. The point of trisection. Okay, trisection means the points divided into 3 equal parts. So that means AP. Therefore, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Okay, so then you can apply the values. What is that? X2. Here X2 is what? X2 is 4 plus 2x1. x1 is equal to minus 5. So what do you get? So first p of x comma y, you can apply the values. So you will get p of xy is equal to 4 plus 2 into minus 5 divided by 3. Then y2 is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 plus 2 into y1 is 6 divided by 3. So what do you get? 4 plus 2 into minus 5, you will get minus 10. So minus 10 divided by 3, then minus 3 plus 12 whole divided by 3. Okay, so what do you get? 4 minus 10, you will get minus 6. Minus 6 by 3, then 9 by 3, you will get minus 2, then you will get 3. So the answer of p of x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 3. Okay. Then point q of x comma y, that also the same method, but the formula must be different. 2x2. Okay, so 2 into x2 value is 4. Okay, so 2 into 4 plus minus 5 divided by 3 comma 2y2 is minus 3. So 2y2 plus y1 is 6 divided by 3. Okay, so what do you get? 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 5 divided by 3 comma 2 3s are 6. So minus 6 plus 6 by 3. Okay, so what do you get? 8 minus 5, you will get 3. 3 by 3, then 0 by 3. Okay, so 0 by 3, you will get 0. If you get cancel, you will get 1. So 1 comma 0. This is q of x comma y. Okay. Therefore, the point P is minus 2 comma 3. Yes, the point P is minus 2 comma 3 and the Q is 1 comma 0. Okay, that's all. So 4 problems over. The next problem we will see in the next section. Okay, thank you students.